Top of the hour, let's get you breaking updates. What we are getting to know that the NIA is currently holding multiple raids at the residences of said Maoist sympathizers in both Telangana and also in Andhra Pradesh. Now we are told that the NIA is conducting these raids in Hyderabad, in Prakasam, in Visakhapatnam at the residences of former Maoist leader Ravi Sharma, Maoist sympathizers Anuradha and Kalyan Rao. That is the initial information that is coming across, as there is a crackdown on insurgency, and also when it comes to those who have been sympathizers of these insurgents, the Maoists there, the NIA is conducting multiple raids, as the pictures that are coming across both states of Telangana and also in Andhra Pradesh. We are told that these raids are being conducted, and certain Maoist links is something that the NIA is looking for, as we are looking at counter-insurgency operations that have been taking place in different states. Let me go across to Aneri now. Aneri, more updates on the raids, please. What's happening?
That's right, Amita. Well, now the NIA has been conducting raids in various locations in Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. Well, these locations include Vizag, Prakasam district in Andhra Pradesh, and also in Hyderabad from Telangana. Well, various teams have been conducting raids at various locations at Maoist residents in Hyderabad, Prakasam district, and also in Vizag. Well, now the NIA has been looking forward for the links with the recent book which was written by the former Maoist RK Ravi Sharma, and also RK who had written a book and also who recently expired. Well, now he passed away few days back, but also at the same time NIA has been conducting raids at the sympathizers' residence as well. The sympathizers of Maoist Anuradha and Kalyan Rao's residence is also being raided by the NIA. NIA has been conducting raids in various locations in Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. Well, it all remains to be seen what comes out of the further investigation, because NIA is investigating the links of the Maoist party and also the book which was written by RK Rao, who expired a few days back. And now we have been seeing that many activists, many Maoist leaders' houses are being raided in Telangana and Andhra Pradesh by the NIA teams, who have formed various teams and are conducting searches at various locations.
Aneri, I believe there has also been a statement issued by the NIA. Just quickly, if you can take us through that, because we are told that these are at least 14 locations that are currently being raided in Telangana and Andhra Pradesh.
That's right, Amita. We have been seeing that there's a statement which has come from the National Investigation of Agency that today NIA conducted searches at 14 different locations in left-wing extremists in case of Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. Well, this is just a two-line statement, but further more details are yet to come in this regard. But yes, as we have been pointing out, that there are raids being conducted in Hyderabad, Prakasam district, and in also Vizag in Andhra Pradesh. Well, these three are the main locations, but yes, according to the NIA statement, which has stated that there are raids which are being conducted at 14 different locations in Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. But yes, at the same time, they are also looking for the links with the Maoist parties, and also the sympathizers, the Maoist sympathizers' houses are also being raided by the NIA, who have been conducting searches since morning in Andhra Pradesh and Telangana.